A severe thunderstorm watch is in effect for our area. Currently, the temperature is 83 degrees under partly cloudy skies. Overnight, thunderstorms. A few storms may be severe. Low 66. Winds south at 5 to 10 miles per hour. On Monday, scattered thunderstorms in the morning, then mainly cloudy during the afternoon with thunderstorms likely. A few storms may be severe. High 88. And Monday night, scattered thunderstorms during the evening, then partly cloudy overnight. A few storms may be severe. Low 73. Chance of rain 50%. Here's our 7-day outlook.